Hi guys, well, this is the salt challenge. Meant to have some salt. Fuck me, man. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Another scoopful. Here we go. No more salt for me. Not even for my dinner. Fuck, I had dinner. Or for any shit. So, hopefully you guys like the salt challenge. Maybe if you guys want to do it too, go ahead. It's hard as so. Bye.